Now, using the baseline is a good position to tackle here. What we're going to do now is I'm just off the back line, and what I don't want to see, and what we're trying to get players away from doing, is tackling on their back stick. So at no stage here would I put my back stick down there. What it does is it opens up both my feet for any good attacker to come in, put it on my foot, give away a corner. So what I really want you to do is, and what I always do, is move my feet to the baseline. So if the ball's here, I would move my front foot outside the line. Okay, so now what you're probably wondering is, what happens when the players pull back on the inside? Now remember, that's always fine, because what I'm doing is I'm keeping them on my forestick. So after I've made the movement here, yep, a good attacker, they might still try and come through here, but what a lot of them will do will push the ball inside. That's okay, I can still play on my forestick. Again, if they drag it back here, which they might do, that's fine. My left leg, you watch it, okay, it moves. So the whole time, my right leg is just a pivot, and my front leg does all the work. Forestick, okay, so I can move like that. Just one of my other points that I try and use is, as defenders, we want to try and dominate attackers like they want to do to us. So at no stage should we just stand off and watch and let an attacker dribble where they want to dribble, move the ball where they want to move, shoot where they want to shoot. Okay, we have to put some things in their mind of what we're trying to do. One thing I like to do is, with the use of the poke tackle, wherever it is on the field, but particularly inside the circle, with quick feet and quick hands, you can set attackers up, okay? What I mean by that is, if someone's running the ball in here and I want them to go to my forestick, which I really do, especially now on this right-hand baseline, is if I poke outside the left of the ball as I'm looking at it, most of the time, attackers will move the ball away from where your stick is. So if I poke here, most of the time, an attacker will dribble the ball this way, which then means I can attack on my forestick. If it was on the other side, and we were doing over the baseline, okay, and I want to attack there to get them to go to the baseline, I can poke to then move my feet. So that's just another thing that I like to do, is I want to try and dominate like they like to try and dominate us.